And a day-long training on foundation course in computer was organized by Bethany Society on Tuesday. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Cabinet Minister Dr. Ambreen Lingdor said that technology transforms livelihoods of youth. She also said that technology nowadays gives children the strength to overcome the challenges of life and achieve their goals.
Here, I just want to support cultivation. Support is only cultivated and we, as I told you, do special training.
Or the rights of people with different disabilities, but then technology enables us to take that one step forward where we can say that let's empower these kids, give them an opportunity for employment as well. And this is something that I'm learning for the first time. Very, very happy to be a part once again with the director and Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma with his team. We will collaborate further to see how best we can make sure that these efforts result in actual job placements of young people.